James Rowsell, chief executive at Vermeer Investment Management, has sold his stake in Facebook on concerns surrounding the privacy storm with Cambridge Analytica. Rowsell, who co-founded Vermeer with Tim Gregory in 2016, said the Vermeer Global Fund held 1.3% in the social media giant before selling out last month. Cambridge Analytica, which has now closed, is alleged to have mined the personal data of 50 million Facebook users to create profiles and target them in the U.S. election campaign in 2016, which was won by Donald Trump. Facebook shares dive 7% amid data misuse claims. As a result, Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg had to testify in front of Congress over how the firm was handling its users' data and privacy. Zuckerberg apologized for the issue and defended the social media giant, saying the core part of the business, which involves sharing content between users, does seem to be working fairly well. He also pledged to do more to stop fake news and fake profiles, but admitted it was difficult to police the site as the capabilities of artificial intelligence were not yet strong enough. Shares in Facebook fell 17% during March but have risen since to trade at $179, although this remains below the $185 price it was trading at before the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Nonetheless, Rowsell, who has 19.3% allocated to technology, said Facebook was the last FAANG stock to be sold by the fund after selling out of Apple last year over concerns about disappointing sales of the iPhone X. "We initially bought Facebook based on the earnings growth and expectations for the share price. It was very cheap on PE metrics, but we sold it very recently because there were just too many uncertainties. We do not know what the fallout will be from this scandal and what it will mean in terms of users leaving the site. We do not know if these earnings are real or how much they will be affected by this scandal in the future. Tech slump drags us. We increased our position in Cisco following excellent result and guidance for a return to growth, so have doubled it to 4.6%. Put the dividend up 14% and is buying back equity, so is one of the highest yielding stocks in the U.S. Is also moved to a subscription-based model, so is seeing revenues for the first time in a while. When will the fangs finally draw blood? Elsewhere, Rowsell has doubled the fund's cash weighting from 4.3% at the end of 2017 to 10.9% as a result of disposals. The Vermeer Global Fund has returned 10.4% over 1 year to the 31st of March versus returns of 2.1% by the MSCI World Index.